Dear my supporter, you can support me and get the artworks via Patreon. You can also place commission via Patreon and Fiverr. All the links you need are in the description now. Please enjoy the process of making artwork. Section 1 Point and line. Point is the smallest unit to create a drawing. Connect 2 points together, we will have a line. Connect at least 3 lines, we will have a surface. Section 2 Basic shape of surface. There are 3 types of basic shape: square, created from 4 line and have 3 90-degree angles. From square, we can change the dimension to create rectangle, triangle, created from 3 lines, circle, created from 1 line and connect 2 tips together. Stretching a circle can create an ellipse. Section 3, 3D shape. There are 2 ways to create 3D shape from basic 2D shape. First, combine many 2D shapes together. Second, rotate a 2D shape around an axis. Section 4, trimming. Slice a 3D shape by using a 2D shape and eliminate trimmed parts. We will have a more complex shape. Section 5, perspective. In perspective view, determine one or many vanishing points. The point where all of the lines meet together will create the depth of drawing.